Hello students, in this video we are starting with question number 3 of exercise 4.3. So student, the question says that is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth and area is 800 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. तो क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि क्या एक रेक्टेंगुलर मैंगो ग्रूव बनाना पॉसिबल है जिसका लेंथ उसके ब्रेथ के डबल है, whose length is twice the breadth, और उसका हमें एरिया दिया हुआ है. तो आपको क्या ये रेक्टेंगल बनाना पॉसिबल है, और पॉसिबल है तो हमें उसकी लेंथ और ब्रेथ बतानी है. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो इट इज गिवन दैट लेंथ इज ट्वाइस द ब्रेथ, सो लेट द ब्रेथ बी x, let the breadth be x. What is the unit of area? It's meter square, so it is x meter. Let the breadth be x meter. So according to the situation, what will be the length? Length will be it is twice of breadth, so it will be 2x meter, right? Length will be 2x meter. Now according to the question, the area is 800 meter square. Now we know that the formula for area of rectangle is L into B, right? So area of rectangle is equal to L into B, that is equal to x into 2x, right? And you are already given with area of rectangle. Area of rectangle according to the question is 800 meter square. 800. So 800 is equal to 2x square. X square is equal to 800 by 2. X square is equal to 400. X is equals to plus or minus 20. Okay, when you send the square on the other side, it will become root, and the root of 400 is plus or minus 20. So x is equals to 20, which means my breadth will be 20 and my length will be 2 into 20, that is 40 meter. So length is 40 meter and breadth is 20 meter. Length is 40 meter and breadth is 20 meter. So that's all for question number 4.3. Question number 3, right? बहुत सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है बच्चों. तो आप इसके स्टेटमेंट में लिख सकते हो कि yes, it is possible to draw a rectangle with the given dimension and the length and breadth will be 40 and 20 meter respectively. Okay. Now let's solve next one. Next, problem 4. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. So again, it is a word problem and age. It is a age problem, and you have to determine that whether this condition is possible or not. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in year was 48. Okay. So the sum of ages of two friends is 20 years. So at present the sum of ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, मतलब आज से 4 साल पहले, the product of their ages in years was 48. तो आज से 4 साल पहले उनके एज का जो प्रोडक्ट था बच्चों वो था 48. Okay, so let's solve. Let the present age of one friend be x. Let the present age of one friend be x year. ठीक है बच्चों, एक दोस्त की एज हमने x ईयर मान ली, तो दूसरे दोस्त की एज कितनी होगी बच्चों? क्योंकि दोनों का सम 20 है, तो द एज ऑफ other friend will be equal to 20 minus x year. The age of other friend will be equal to 20 minus x year. ठीक है. Now 4 year ago मतलब आज से 4 साल पहले, तो 4 year ago the age of first friend, 4 year ago his age will be 4 साल पहले माइनस करना है x माइनस 4, ठीक है बच्चों। और 4 साल पहले इनका एज कितना हो जाएगा, 4 साल पहले इनका एज कितना हो जाएगा 20 माइनस एक्स माइनस 4, ठीक है। 20 माइनस एक्स माइनस 4, that is 20 minus 4 is 16 minus x, right? So this is his age 4 year ago. Now 4 year ago the product of their ages in year was 48. So whatever the age of their, that is 4 year ago, the product of this age is 48. So according to the question, x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equals to 48. Let's solve this. Simplify. So 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x is equal to 48 minus x square, 16x plus 4x, that is plus 20x, ठीक है बच्चों। now minus 64, bring 48 on this side, minus 48 is equals to 0. so minus x square plus 20x, minus minus plus 8 plus 4 12, 2 carry 1, 4 plus 6 10, 11 is equals to 0. Now let's simplify this and multiply the entire equation by minus. So if you multiply the entire equation by minus, your equation will become x square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the equation which we are getting now. It is a quadratic equation and we have to see that whether the root exists or not. देखो बच्चों क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला है कि is the following situation possible? So first of all we have to see that whether that situation is feasible or not. In order to know that, you have to first find the nature of roots. Okay, so let's find the value of discriminant. D is equals to b square minus 4ac. B is minus 20, so minus 20 whole square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 112. Okay, so 20 का स्क्वायर होता है 400 minus 4 into a into c, so 112 into 4, 8, 4 2 is 8 और ये 4 4. So as you can see 400 minus 448, you will be getting the result in the negative. Minus 48 is a negative integer. So whenever the value of d is less than 0, then we know that there are no real root exists for that equation. So as the real root does not exist, this situation is not possible, right? This situation is not possible. You can take the screenshot or you can write the notes. Moving ahead, okay, moving ahead. Next question number 5. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. So the question says that कि क्या एक rectangular park बनाना possible है जिसका perimeter 80 मीटर हो और एरिया 400 मीटर स्क्वायर हो। ठीक है बच्चों, चलो तो इसे भी सॉल्व करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, पेरीमीटर आपको दिया है 80 मीटर, एरिया आपको दिया है 400 मीटर स्क्वायर। ठीक है, पेरीमीटर दिया है 80 मीटर, एरिया आपको दिया है 400 मीटर स्क्वायर। वी नीड टू फाइंड इट्स लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ। सो लेट द लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ बी, देखो बच्चों यहाँ पे लेंथ और ब्रेथ के बीच में कुछ रिलेशन नहीं दिया है, ठीक है, तो हम लेंथ और ब्रेथ को एल और बी ही रखते हैं। तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द फर्स्ट कंडीशन आपका पेरीमीटर होगा 2 into L plus B is equal to 80. 2 into L plus B is equal to 80. Now when you shift this 2 on the other side, what it will become? L plus B will become 40. L plus B will become 40, right? Second, area is 400. Area is 400. So L into B is equals to 400. This is your second equation. Okay. L into B is equal to 400. Okay. Now देखो इसको हमें सॉल्व करना है, तो बच्चों हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे हमें आप इक्वेशन को तभी सॉल्व कर पाएंगे जब वो एक वेरिएबल में हो, ठीक है। यहाँ पे हमारे पास दो इक्वेशन है लेकिन दोनों इक्वेशन अलग अलग वेरिएबल में है। सो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 2 आई कैन राइट L as 400 by B. L can be written as 400 by B, right? And you can put this value of L in equation number 1. So at the place of L, if you write 400 by B plus B is equal to 40. 400 by B plus B is equal to 40. Now take B as LCM, so you will get 400 plus B square is equal to 40B. 400 plus B square is equal to 40B. So it will become B square minus 40B plus 400 is equals to 0. B square minus 40B plus 400 is equals to 0. Now again the question is whether this situation is feasible or not, it is possible or not. So we will find the nature of the root. So let's find the value of discriminant, that is B square minus 4AC. So here B is minus 40 whole square minus 4 into A is 1 and C is 400, right? So minus 40 square you will get 1600. 14 square you will get 1600 and 4 into 1600 is 1600. Okay, 4 into 4 that is 1600. 1600 minus 1600 0. So as the value of discriminant is 0, which means there will be two equal root existing. So let's find out the roots. I will do it here. The value of B will be equal to minus B plus or minus under root B square minus 4AC by 2A. Okay, so here B is minus 40 बच्चों, B क्या है? B है minus 40. So minus of minus 40 plus or minus B square minus 4AC. B square minus 4AC is 0. So under root 0 upon 2 into A. So here A is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. So minus minus plus, it will become 40 by 2. So 40 by 2 is 20. 40 by 2 is 20. So your breadth is 20 meter. Breadth is 20 meter. If you put the value of breadth in the first equation, so L plus 20 is 40. L you will get 40 minus 20. L is also 20. Okay. So both the length and breadth are 20 meter and this situation is possible. Okay. So you can take a screenshot or you can take the notes. So that's all for this chapter. With this question we have completed the chapters. Okay. So if you are enjoying the content of this channel, आपको इस चैनल से पढ़ के अच्छा लग रहा है, आपको कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ रहा है, तो अपने दोस्तों को, अपने साथ में पढ़ने वाले क्लासमेट्स को शेयर कीजिए चैनल. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, बाय.